Okay, so this is the hair tutorial for our competition hair. First you want to make sure your hair is all brushed out and everything. Okay. And we're not doing a poof this year. It's just kind of easier for everyone. And so what it really is just a high ponytail, like right here on your head. And it's just going to be tees and straight, no curls or anything. So first you're just going to start, you should take all your hair and just brush it all together. And you can fix all the baby hairs at the back like this later. You can bobby pin them up. You just want to make sure you get the ponytail high on top of your head, because if it's too low it won't really work. And you don't want to have any bumps or anything. Okay, so something like this, and just kind of put it up at the top of your head right here, so that your hair is kind of already up. Alright, and then depends on how thick your hair is, you may need 1 or 2 hair ties. Tori's probably going to need 2 or 3. Okay, and you're going to take the ponytail, put it up at the top of your head like that, and it seems pretty high now, but once you tease it and everything it'll look better. And now I'm just going to put an extra ponytail in just in case, because you don't want it to fall out or anything. And you're going to put the bow in before you tease, just so that it's easier.
Are we not doing a poof this year?
No, I just said that.
Oh.
I only put it around twice right now just because we're not actually competing, but usually it'll be different. Okay, now you're going to start with the top and flip it over. So start with this. Alright, so this section right here, just take it, and I just use something like this, and move your knees. Alright, and just take it and kind of put it forward a little bit. You can spray it before if you want to, and I just pull your bow forward and hold it like this. If you're doing someone else's hair, you can do what I just asked her to do because it's easier. And you just tease like this. it'll kind of be crazy, but you can like fix it later and make it the way you want it to be.
This kind of hurts my arms.
Here, spray it. And lift your head back up. And just do this again, and just take section by section and just do the same thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hairspray. Oh no. Can I do this now?
Just keep teasing. And it looks really crazy right now, but it'll look better once we're all done. And you can fast forward through this part right now and just go to the end. Because it's really just the same thing over and over until you get to the end of it. And you can like back comb like that too. It kind of helps sometimes. Just like get that extra volume. Good night. Alright, and then when you get to the end, it's the same thing. Just tease, tease, tease. And when you flip it back over, it'll be really crazy and weird. But you can brush over it as much as you need to and whatever. And you can like take the top pieces, which is what I like to do sometimes, and just like brush them over the parts that are already really teased. So that it like looks like it's like softer on top. Yeah. You can take the top again and just like go back over it and fix the pieces you need to. And brush it as much as you need and whatever. Make it the way you need. And some people may already have ways they do this, so they don't need to watch this. But this is just in case you needed help with this. And if you guys do need help with this, I'll like be at competitions earlier. I can do your hair, your makeup, or whatever you need. And that's pretty much the final look. So turn to the sides or turn to the front. That's what it'll look like. And you can like fix the bow however you need to. And you can make it higher if you want, like this, or this is pretty much good. I mean, this isn't competition day, so I didn't do it as much. It's just kind of like an idea of it. But like if you want it really big, then make it like bigger before competition, so that way when you compete it's like lower. I guess, you know, it's like still high.